Welcome back, everybody. 6:12 on this toasty Tuesday morning. Let's see what our weather watchers are watching. And already laments of high dew points out there. This is 74 from Bruce Adams there in Northport. And a question, well, just an observation from Bruce. It should be a good day at the beach, but keep an eye out for lightning. That's my concern, too. I mean, it's the kind of weather where you want to go to the beach. Not only will you have cooler temperatures, but it'll just feel good to get into that cooler water. But just be mindful of the potential for storms this afternoon. Claire Chase has 75 in Yonkers already and steamy. Don't forget the pets. They need extra water. They're gonna want to get out there and play and sniff, but got to make sure they get frequent breaks as well. And I normally wouldn't do this, but I think Bob Leschuk is trying to get me in trouble with the bosses, because he says last hour it was hot enough to make Sam cook. Well, now, you know, he's concerned because it's hot enough today to make Susan Boyle. So anyway, Bob has just got some time and some good lines. All right, the weather line, it is going to be hot and humid today. The steamy conditions already underway, 76. I mean, it feels good, but you just know, boy, 2, 3 o'clock this afternoon. I mean, if you're in the city, you got appointments, you got stuff to do, and you got to look good, you got to wear a suit. It's going to be hot. 69 in Greenwich, 70 in White Plains right now, 73 in Babylon, 75 in Belmar. Numbers compared to yesterday, on average, few degrees warmer, so that will put us in the low 90s. But as far as the air temperature, well, that's only half the story. You've got to factor in those higher dew points. So those real feel numbers between 95 and 100 plus. Some of the models even have a heat index value of 100 degrees by 2 o'clock this afternoon. So, I mean, that is serious. You get sick if you don't take breaks, don't seek shade, don't force the fluids, and don't stay in the air conditioning as much as you can. Air quality is not going to be the best either. What's nice, though, is it's a one-day deal. I mean, it isn't the day after day. You are going to see some nice relief for your Wednesday, but the price of admission affiliated with this front, the storms. Yeah, so yeah, watch out for lightning, watch out for brief heavy rain, and we even could see some hail out of that. Humidity relief, nicer numbers, back in the mid-80s. That's nice. Thursday, most of the area stays dry, but we are going to see clouds fill in, and then those showers are back in the forecast late Thursday into Friday. Notice, too, though, the numbers are going to be down into the 70s as we work our way into the weekend. Let's get you to work right now with Alex.
Thank you, John. Good morning, everyone. If you were traveling in the Bronx, we do have a large pothole. It's caused several disabled vehicles.